Myself, I am Rural Korea.
I am Benedict Sirejo.
Myself, Samuel Sirejo.
Myself, Aaron Korea.
I'm Samuel Thomas Kachpille.
So I'm Princely Manbat.
It was a collective decision to come up with the band name The Pacifiers, which means spreading peace and if you put it in one word, then being the peacemakers.
ओके सो सगळ्यांची स्टोरी चांगलं ऐकून बरं वाटलं की किती जणांचं इन्स्पिरेशन म्युझिकमध्ये खूप चांगल्या प्रकारचं आहे आणि दुसऱ्यांना पण इन्स्पायर होईल असं दिसून येते. सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल इज लाईक हू वुड यू ऑल मोस्ट लाईक टू कोलॅबरेट विथ. कोण असं व्यक्ती आहे का जे तुम्ही त्याच्याशी म्युझिक बँडमध्ये परफॉर्म करू शकतात की त्याला तुम्ही बँडमध्ये एक दिवशी तुम्हाला असं स्वप्न आहे आणि आय थिंक सगळ्यांचं वेगळं मत होऊ शकते. सो यू कॅन गो ऑन.
Okay, so basically our band is a gospel band. जसं तुम्ही बघितलं असेल मोस्टली आम्ही गॉस्पल म्युझिक करत असतात आणि इवन पेट्रियोटिक सॉंग्स देखील करत असतात. सो वी वुड मोस्टली see people or an individual who is more related to gospel as well as he is good in music and he has grown in Lord. So हे काही क्वालिटीज आहेत जे आम्ही पाहू इच्छितो in order to do any collab and everything. And initially we did collab with Trinity Music Team. त्यांचा देखील असाच gospel musicचा ग्रुप आहे आणि so we decided to collab and you might have seen the song. It is really amazing. And in future असेच कोणी जे चांगल्या प्रकारे म्युझिक मध्ये असतील आणि they have interest for gospel songs and for Lord. So असे व्यक्ती साठी आम्ही like इच्छितो आणि even we are thinking of increasing our band, so new members who are good in music and as well as ready to serve Lord. So as a musicians देखील आम्ही we are thinking of expanding the band. So
सो रिक्रुटमेंट चालू आहे. इन केस कोणा बँड जॉईन करायचं असेल सो कोणा कॉन्टॅक्ट युट्यूबवर मेसेज करा, कमेंट्स मध्ये द्या का आम्हाला जॉईन करायचं आहे. रुवेल सगळ्यांची नोट घेते. ओके सो थँक्यू अँड इंटरव्ह्यू घेते.
ऑडिशन्स
मुंबई आहे का?
तू मुंबई आहे का? बरोबर. Okay, so my next question to you all is like, till now, where you have all performed as a pacifier group band? कुठे तुम्ही perform केले?
So I would like to answer that. And we have performed at mostly like our community anniversary. So that was the beginning from where everything began, and we performed there. Then we have youth camps at Kairos, so we do perform there too. And we have also performed at weddings and also at baptism ceremonies and all kinds of those. And then we were also asked to perform at diocese level for the interreligion meet on Christmas. And if you all notice that we don't perform more because of our age gap. Like the band has a 5-year age gap, so like Princely being the eldest and I being the youngest, so there's a vast difference. So everyone is studying, everyone has exams at different times, and two of us are at hostel, and then we also have a spiritual commitments in Community of the Good Shepherd and CYP, so it becomes difficult to get into practice regularly. Like for weeks we can't be meeting, so because of that we don't perform usually a lot, but we make through that. We get our message out through YouTube because it's a much convenient way for us to do, and we do perform, and we're trying to get a bond between us so that we can do more of it.
Most probably seen, like I have also seen your performance. I have seen the photos. I have not actually been to any one of the actual live performance, but one day I think when you will perform, make sure you invite me. Don't worry, I will buy the tickets for your band. So my next question is like, which famous musicians do you all admire? कोणता असा व्यक्ती म्युझिक मध्ये आहे की तुम्ही त्याला एक इन्स्पिरेशन टाइप मानता?
Okay, so I think so. This question, the answer to this question might be different for all of us, and collectively as a band, we may have a same answer. So first, individually, I like to go. So as Benedict told that mostly we do gospel songs related to uh, gospel worship, the songs we do. So the artists I personally admire are mostly related to gospel, like Don Moen. You might be knowing the famous gospel singer from the US. Then there are number of gospel singers in India like Cameron Mendes, Sheldon Bangera, and many more. Also famous bands like Yeshua Ministry of Cameron Mendes, Jago Music, then Bridge Music. All these gospel bands I personally mostly admire. And talking about secular songs, Bollywood or other songs, my personal favorite is Arman Malik and Arjit Singh. So mostly the songs they sing, I admire.
Okay, so
I'll go next. Okay, Benedict. Yeah.
The songs, the musicians that I admire are Pratik Kuhad. You might know. Even in gospel music, Sheldon Bangera is one of the favorite, and even Matt Redman he's an English gospel singer. He has really good hill songs. So yeah, these are the
Okay. Any who would like to go next?
I'll go. Yeah. Talking about musicians whom I admire, असे खूप आहेत की काही काहींचे some are good at music production, some are good at rhythm, some are good at street section, etc. But when we talk about role model, I think he should be a good person, a good individual at first. So for me, Ustad Zakir Hussain has always been a role model because he has a different personality and मी त्याला कधीपासून फॉलो करतो लाईक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑन युट्यूब आय लिसन टू हिज इंटरव्ह्यूज आणि द वे ही लुक्स एट थिंग्स द वे ही हॅज अ डिफरंट अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स म्युझिक अँड लाईफ that is really amazing. And second one is of course A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman is one of the legend of Indian music industry. आणि रिसेंटली त्याची एक बिअर बायसेस बरोबर इंटरव्ह्यू झालेली पॉडकास्ट शो and the way that was an instance where he explained how he looks at things. So being a musician, being a famous musician is really great, but being a person who is down to earth and having a different approach to life is something important. So these are the learnings I always look from people whom I admire. So Zakir Hussain and A.R. Rahman are my two role models.
Okay, so I'll go next. I categorize the musicians into two categories. One is the gospel singers and the second is secular. So talking about gospel, as Sam said, I also admired Sir Don Moen. And one more is Sam Alex, who plays for Bridge Music. So I like the way they have an approach towards God, the way they create music. And talking about secular is two people. One is A.R. Rahman and second is Amit Trivedi. So the way they write songs, the way they understand songs, and talking about their songs, I like it very much because they're more connected. You can more connect to those songs easily. So that's what I like.
सो माझे पर्सनल टू फेवरेट्स आहेत. म्हणजे फर्स्ट म्हणजे मी एक कोट मेन्शन म्हणजे एक स्टेटमेंट मेन्शन करतो की मला कुठल्याही शो मध्ये जायला नाही भेटलं आयुष्यात तर इट्स चालेल, पण मला एका व्यक्तीच्या कॉन्सर्टला लाईव्ह परफॉर्मन्स करायचा आहे. तो म्हणजे यानी इज अ ग्रीक म्युझिशियन. सो ज्या प्रकारे मी जसं तुम्हाला स्टोरी आधी मी एक्सप्लेन केली माझ्या लाईफची, की कशाप्रकारे मी म्युझिकमध्ये आला. सो मला डॅड एक अल्बम आणून दिलेला आहे त्यांच्या शोचा अँड मी तासोन तास आय टू वॉच दॅट अँड मी एक विचार करायचा, की मी कधीतरी अशा पीसेस, अशा म्युझिक, अशा प्रकारच्या कधीतरी वाजवेल. आणि तिथूनच मला एक एन्थुझियाझम भेटलेली. सो फॉर मी यानी इज अ ग्रेट लिजंड. अँड देन अगेन ॲज रोयल मेन्शन ए आर रेहमान ऑल्सो म्युझिकमध्ये टॉप क्लास. म्हणजे त्यांची म्युझिक जर तुम्ही ऐकली तर यु नो एक डिफरंट एलिमेंट्स इन टू दॅट म्युझिक, डिफरंट नवीन काहीतरी त्यांच्यात. सो फॉर मी टू आर द मोस्ट
So I would go next. Annie, for gospel songs, I love Planet Shakers a lot because of their energetic music and aggressive music. And also, if I go to say, then I love bridge music a lot, and because of their drum pieces and also those two in gospel music, I like them a lot. And if I go to speak secular, then I have an all-time favorite who is Avicii, and like he's just like I like to listen to his songs, and we have also tried his song, and one more is Maroon 5, and I really like his voice and everything. So yeah.
So everyone has a different approach towards who is their favorite musician, but that's great. So variety is the spice of life, you can say.
Yes.
येस.
Okay. My next question is like, how do you feel the impact of the internet? Like इंटरनेटमुळे तुम्हाला केवढं काय जीवनात तुम्हाला हे केलंय, प्रभावित केलंय?
Okay, so I'll go. Talking about as many of them shared earlier, internet. We've mainly used internet in this lockdown, in this quarantine period, because that's the only source of connecting with each other. And as many of them mentioned earlier, it has helped us to learn a lot more and to explore more in this music industry. Many of us have learned new instruments, like I learned harmonium, Samuel learned drums, Benedict learned bass guitar, and so on. And each one has kept on mastering their skills because this has truly helped us by YouTube or by other sources that are available. It has really helped us. The second thing is these Zoom meetings and all video calls. This has truly helped us. If you see, we have worked upon many projects from the time the quarantine last year. It began in March, and all those projects that you see till this one, which was Chattan, all those were planned in this quarantine period. So it's not that the lockdown has made us stop. The internet has truly helped us to work more efficiently, I can say, because जेव्हा सर्व चालू असते, when everything is working, it used to be difficult to adjust time and meet. But then this video calls, these Zoom meets, these are very efficient and very effective, I can say. Next thing is one fun fact to add is anytime, even if we are whole day tired and even if we are almost gone to sleep, even if we just hear that there's a pacified meeting now, ती एक वेगळीच एनर्जी येते. एव्हरीवन आर कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड अप विथ एनर्जी. लाईक जे असेल ते बाजूला टाकतात अँड देन दे जस्ट कम इन द फ्रंट ऑफ लॅपटॉप अँड सेट. कारण दॅट्स पार्ट ऑफ बॉन्डिंग जे आमच्यामध्ये झालेलं आहे. ऑल्सो ऑन द व्हॉट्सॲप, the bonding that has become in us, like each one knows each one's life in and out, and anything that we do or anything that we are going to do, each one knows. Like now if I'm going for a picnic or if I'm going out today evening, then almost each one knows where I'm going and with whom all. So it's been like a brotherhood, and we truly call this as a brotherhood. So it's been a great journey, and this internet has helped us a lot. So yeah.
That's great. Like, I would also like to ask, like, what was any negative impact you had due to internet?
There's no negative impact as such talking about as the whole band, because as I said, it has helped us to connect a lot. Talking about negative, no, there's nothing negative as such I can mention.
I'll add to this point. I feel की negative कधी कधी म्हणतात ना की a blessing in disguise. So I'll talk about one point कारण प्रत्येक गोष्टीत पॉझिटिव्ह असतात निगेटिव्ह असतात. सो इफ यू टॉक की नेगेटिव्ह असेल की नाही, वन थिंग अशी होती की एक असा वेळ होता की आम्ही रात्री 3-4 वाजेपर्यंत असं भेटत बसायचे ऑन झूम. सो दॅट समवेअर अफेक्टेड आवर हेल्थ की रात्री 4ला झोपायचे लाईक मॉर्निंगला अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 आणि दुसरा दिवस 12 वाजता 1 वाजता उठायचे कारण दुसऱ्या दिवस कामच नव्हतं लॉकडाऊन मध्ये ना घरीच सगळे. सो दे वॉज नथिंग टू डू. So at that time our parents used to tell us ki stop stop this Zoom meetings late night. Whatever you want to do, you can do in the evening, but have a proper sleep schedule, have a proper meal schedule. So that I can say is the one thing की एक negative होता आमच्यामध्ये तो की आम्ही एवढे Zoom ला addict झालेले की कारण तेव्हा we couldn't meet, so that was only mean we could talk. So रात्रन तासन तास आम्ही बसायचो Zoom वरती. So yeah, that was one of the negative I wanted to point out.
Okay, that's you can say negative, but it also you can say that blessing in disguise, as you said, because भेटायचा चान्स नव्हता आणि तुम्ही झूमवर भेटू असेल आणि जर काहीतरी नवीन आयडियाज भेटतात बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ दी आयडियाज यू गेट एट लेट एट नाईट. सो आय थिंक सो दॅट वॉज अ नाईस थिंग दॅट यू having late night meeting, and I think you should continue to do such things, but also get an 8 hours sleep. I think so. So okay, so my next question is like, what were the challenges you faced? Like what till now? Like there might be many challenges in your life getting into the music also. So as a band, what challenges you have faced till now?
Yeah, this has always been a difficult question to answer कारण प्रत्येक बँडला ना डिफरंट चॅलेंज असतात. सो बीट एनी टीम की क्रिकेटची टीम असेल ती म्युझिक टीम असेल और इट मे बी डिफरंट टीम या कंपनी. सो चॅलेंजेस आर अ पार्ट ऑफ लाईफ अँड वी डू एक्सेप्ट की चॅलेंजेस आहेत. असं काय नाही की एव्हरीथिंग सीम्स परफेक्ट बट म्हणजे सगळं परफेक्ट आहे की बट या देर आर चॅलेंजेस आणि फर्स्ट इज लॅक ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. सो as the band grows and as you get good response, people expect ki on the YouTube especially na ki people expect ki आम्हाला यापेक्षा जास्त quality पाहिजे. So to bring that quality we need resources. For example, we need a location. For instance, that's the basic requirement. So for location you need good resources, the proper background, the setup, the light positioning. So these are things which we are dependent on others. की आमचे स्वतःचे लाईट्स एवढे पण आहेत आमच्याकडे की आम्ही एक पूर्ण कॉन्सर्ट चालू शकतो. Then also resources with respect to cinematography purposes, for audio purposes. Basic things आमच्याकडे आहेत like what we call the survival existence आमच्याकडे आहे की आम्ही we can survive. But in order to be the best, in order to keep on upgrading, I somewhere feel as a band ki we are dependent on others ki we need to rent something. So that is one of the most important and the most primary challenge we face as a band ki resources. We are still trying to get our own resources for a band where we'll be self-dependent. That's the first thing. The second thing what I could state is that there was a time ki ek proper structure of the band. Now it's going good, but being frank enough ki ek aisa way hota na ki anyone is to come, someone is to play the keyboard, someone is to play the rhythm part, someone is to sing. So एक proper structure होता. As I mentioned earlier ना की आमच्याकडे 3 किंवा 4 keyboard आहेत. Nowhere कुठल्याही बँड असं करत नाही सपोज की 4 keyboard आहेत. But that time there was no choice की आमच्याकडे काही choice होती. So we had to do that. So एक structure होता. But the Lord helped us in a different way last year and blessings एवढी केली आमच्यावरती की ती चॅलेंज वी आर ओव्हरकमिंग इट की प्रत्येकांचा एक प्रॉपर आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्रिन्स इज डुइंग हिज पार्ट, बेनेडिक्ट इज डुइंग हिज पार्ट, ॲरोन इज डुइंग हिज पार्ट, सॅम्युअल इज डुइंग हिज पार्ट. सो प्रत्येकजण त्याचा एक पार्ट रोल प्ले करत इज गिव्हिंग देअर बेस्ट आणि वी सॉ द फ्रुट्स ऑफ दिस इन आवर क्रिसमस लाईफ सेशन. दॅट वॉज अ सेशन वेअर आम्ही प्रॉपर आमच्या रोल्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आम्ही तिथे बसले and we gave our best and we could see what a teamwork looks like, and that is how we are overcoming this challenge. That's the second thing. Third thing I would mention is about differences of opinions. आता when you talk about a team, differences of opinion असतील. आपण नुकतंच एक उदाहरण बघितलं की everyone has a different role models. काहीकांना याने आवडतो तर काहीकांना प्रत्येक वर्ड आवडतो. सो टू डिफरंट राईट. प्रत्येक वर्ड हॅज अ डिफरंट जॉनर ऑफ सिंगिंग, whereas Planet Shakers a different genre. So a different approaches to life, but that's the beauty of the team. आणि चॅलेंज अशा प्रकारे की कधी कधी ओपिनियन्स की एक्झाम्पल सांगतो की वेन वी स्टार्ट द प्रोजेक्ट की वी हॅव टू डिसाइड अ सॉन्ग की विच सॉन्ग वी शुड गो. सो एव्हरीवन हॅज अ सॉन्ग सजेशन फ्रॉम देअर प्रिफर्ड जॉनरे. सो मला क्लासिकल प्रिफर करता तो आय लुक फॉर अ सॉन्ग फॉर दॅट जॉनरे. प्रिन्सला दुसरं कुठला आवडते तो. सो डिफरन्स ऑफ ओपिनियन. So difference of opinion is also a challenge. I could say that is that's not a great challenge, but it's a challenge. I should say I agree that it's a challenge, and a difference of opinion it helps, and it helps us to diversify ourselves and grow as a band, and it also helps us keep united and come up with different ideas. So 3 challenges, and dusre challenges I don't think there are any other major challenges, but yeah, challenges are still. It's not an easy thing. Everyone is growing as musicians की प्रत्येकांना वाटते की मला हा पार्ट पाहिजे. So challenges will keep on coming, but I think की being united as brothers and being rooted in Christ, that's what today's gospel is, right? Be united in Christ, be rooted in Christ. So I feel our values are teaching the same thing की be rooted in Christ, be rooted in faith, and that will help you to overcome all challenges. So yeah, that's my.
ओके. सो रुबेल, अजून एक प्रश्न आहे याच रिलेटेड की ड्यू टू दिस एनिथिंग हॅपन लाईक फाईट्स वगैरे झाल्या तसे डिफरन्सेस ऑफ ओपिनियनमुळे?
फाईट म्हणजे असं नॉर्मल आता लाईक नॉर्मल इगो असतात. आता मी समज नाही सांगितलं ना, आता जे बघणारे सांगतील की हा फेक करतो. इट्स कॉमन की प्रत्येक बँड मध्ये फाईट होतात. सो कधी कधी एक दिवस बोलत नाही किंवा 2 दिवस बोलत नाही, थर्ड डे दे कम टुगेदर. द नेक्स्ट वीक वी कम टुगेदर अँड वी मीट अँड वी हॅव फन. सो इट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाईफ. एव्हरीवन कधी कधी कोण कोणावर जोक मारतो, कोणा आवडत नाही. दॅट डे आय सपोज प्रिन्सली हॅड पोस्टेड अ स्टोरी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम की अबाउट रोस्टिंग. आमचं चालू असतं रोस्टिंग की कोण कोणाला काय बोलतो, कोणाला आवडतो, कोणाला आवडत नाही. दॅट पार्ट ऑफ लाईफ, अँड वी नाव वी एन्जॉय दॅट की वाटत नाही काय कोणाला काय झाला, वी नो दॅट पर्सन इज गोइंग टू कम बॅक अगेन 2-3 days. So the approach clear hai. So that's what the most important thing I think.
That's
I
also
think
one
the
thing
true
together.
Yeah,
Okay.
the true unity is म्हणजे आपण जर टेस्ट करायचं असेल की ग्रुप खरोखर वाढत आहे, तर अशा काळी टेस्ट करा म्हणजे आपण सांगू शकतात की वेन देर आर चॅलेंजेस, वेन देर आर प्रॉब्लेम्स, त्या टायमाला कशा प्रकारे ग्रुप अप्रोच करतो ना, तेव्हा वी कॅन फिगर आउट हाऊ द ग्रुप इज गोइंग टू गो फर्दर. सो या.
अँड ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज लाईक जेवढे जसे फाईट्स होतील तेवढेच तुम्ही जवळ येत जातील आणि आय थिंक ॲज अ ग्रुप तुम्ही पुढे जात जाते.
Yes,
बरोबर.
sir.
Agreed.